Land of Jugaad. American living in India praises affordable repair services. Watch. India's Jugaad culture, known for its resourcefulness and ingenuity, continues to impress foreigners and locals alike. A video shared by an American living in India, Jessica Kumar, has gone viral, showcasing her appreciation for India's unique Jugaad culture, where almost anything can be repaired at an affordable price. From sandals to expensive gowns, Jessica highlights how India's repair services offer a cost-effective solution for fixing everyday items. In the video, Jessica expresses her admiration for how items that would typically be discarded in other countries are instead given a new lease of life in India. She cites examples of her 45 Converse shoes being fixed and 60 Crocs being repaired for just 40 rupees, showcasing the vast difference in approach to consumerism and sustainability. One of my favorite things about India ever is this: get anything like anything fixed. Sandals, get it fixed. 100 shoes, an electric item, a broken bucket, cheap sweatpants, an expensive gown, get it fixed, she said in the video. The video has resonated with many, sparking conversations about the benefits of repair culture and the environmental impact of disposable consumer goods. Some of the people also praised her Hindi accent and commented, "My jaws hit the table when you spoke Hindi. You speak Hindi better than I." One of the users commented, "Good to see someone appreciating these good things about India. It was getting quite boring and repetitive to see the movie makers Indians or abroad rolling out endless Indian poverty porn. Swipe left for next video. We use things until its last breath," the other one commented. "Why throw them when we can fix with things and people," another added. Latest blogs.